Hello everyone. Today, we're showcasing the newly launched Blender AI plugin version 2.0. Visit Sculptor.k's official website, locate Blender plugin in the top toolbar and click to download. Next, head to Blender's settings interface. Import the plugin we just downloaded. This latest version supports Blender 4.0 and above. When importing, use the entire zip file directly. There's no need to unzip it. You'll then see the newly imported plugin on the right side. First off, we need to bind our API key. Just click Login. It'll automatically take you to the website's API docs page. Scroll down to the API key section, hit Create New Key, and copy the string that pops up. Quick tip: save this key in a notepad or somewhere safe. If you forget it later, you'll have to generate a brand new one. First, click Import Preset to load a base model. Next, go to the Style Type dropdown, select Pro, then choose the EXR format below. Once you've made those selections, hit Local Upload at the top and pick the image you want to upload. This is the brand new AI model and output format. You'll get the highest quality model results with it. Each generation uses up 15 credits, but new registered users get 100 credits for free. After waiting around 30 to 60 seconds, the generated model will pop up on the base. First, tweak the 3D depth slider to boost the texture's depth and texture. The higher the value, the more dimensional it gets. Then adjust crop depth to get rid of the base entirely if you want. Once all those tweaks feel right, crank up the mesh density to between 2000 and 5000 at the end. This trick ramps up the model's precision and keeps your computer from lagging too much. Once your computer stops lagging, the model's all done. Zoom in close to check out the details super crisp. If there's any part you're not happy with, just use your Blender skills to tweak it with a second round of modeling. That's the great thing about generating models straight in Blender, right? You can find all your past generated images in the folder where you save them. Let's test this out with another image to show you how it works. The new model's finished generating. Let's first turn down the mesh density. This will make your computer respond way faster when you tweak things later. Once everything's dialed in perfectly, let's sit back and check out this brand new relief work we just created. It looks awesome. Next up, let me show you the brand new feature we just added. The first two we made were relief models, but if you click Submit 3D Draw down below, you can generate a fully 3D solid model. How cool is that? We'll upload an image just like before, and this time, I'm going to use a photo of a dog to test it out. This generation will take a bit longer than the previous ones, totally normal. Once the model's done, let's zoom in to check out all the details. Over at HDFix, you can choose the model's precision level. I'm picking high here, which adds way more fine details to the final result. The dog model has a pretty simple shape, so let's test things out with a more complex image to really show what this tool can do. Even with more complex images, it still nails the job perfectly. The credits for 3D model generation are a bit different from relief models. Each generation only uses up 10 credits. All the history of your API-generated models is easily accessible right in the History section on Sculptor.k's website. You can even re-download any of your past models whenever you want. The whole workflow is super simple and straightforward. Whether you're an experienced 3D artist or a total beginner, you can jump right in and use it. Of course, if you're not super familiar with Blender, you can just operate directly on Sculptor.k's website instead. Best of all the generated models or images can be imported into any post-production software for immediate use.